Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start Afrikaans with Memrise, complete guide step by step clearly. To start learning Afrikaans with Memrise, begin by downloading the Memrise app from your app store or accessing it via their website. Create a free account by filling in your details or signing up using an existing Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, explore the homepage to familiarize yourself with the layout and available courses. In the search bar at the top, type Afrikaans to find relevant courses focused on the language. Browse through the available Afrikaans courses, paying attention to user ratings and descriptions to find one that suits your level and goals. Select a course that captivates your interest and click on it to view more information. On the course page, take a moment to read the description and understand the learning objectives. When you're ready, click the Start Course button to begin your language journey. As you progress, engage with various learning tools, including vocabulary quizzes, audio pronunciation, and mnemonic devices. Practice consistently by setting daily goals within the app to maintain a steady learning pace. Use the review sessions to reinforce what you've learned and to improve retention. Take advantage of the community features, such as forums and discussions, to connect with other learners for additional support. Explore the Learn with Locals section to enhance your understanding of conversational Afrikaans through immersive experiences. Consider using the mobile app for on-the-go learning, allowing you to practice anywhere and anytime. Don't hesitate to explore additional resources like videos and articles to complement your Memrise experience. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and see how far you've come. With dedication and consistent practice, you will steadily improve your Afrikaans skills using Memrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.